Boys and girls, today we're going to practice writing a couple of sentences with our words. And so I'm going to be working with you, but I want to make sure you're just not copying what I'm doing. I want you to think it through and work with me and work together with me. Don't just copy what I'm doing. Okay? So the first word we're going to use is we're going to use the word put. So this word right here, P-U-T, and we're going to write the sentence that says, put the glass on the table. Okay, so as I say each word, hold up a finger just so you can figure out how many words our sentence is going to have. Put the glass on the table. So we're going to have 5 words. Put the glass on the table. And now before I write the sentence for you to check, I'm going to have you do it. And I'm going to kind of walk you through it, but you're not going to see me writing the sentence with you. You're just going to hear my voice. And as you are hearing my voice giving you some hints and clues, you should be writing. And then when I'm done, I will go ahead and write the sentence and we can check what you have. Okay, so your first word is put. So go ahead and look over here. We know this is the word put. It's going to be the first word in our sentence. So we know when we write our sentences, we start with a capital letter. So go ahead and write the word put. Start way over here to the left of your paper and write the word put, but make sure you have a capital P. Change that to a capital P. Put. And then make sure you put your space. And your next word is the. And then that is a word you see and use all of the time. And if you need to pause at any time to give yourself a little bit more time to write, you can do that and then just hit play when you're ready. So right now you should have put the. Your next word is glass. So listen to the word glass as I stretch it out for you. You're going to hear an L blend at the beginning. Glass. Glass. So go ahead and try and write that word. Listen to the sound of the A. Gla. Has the A sound. Glass. So if you go back to the beginning of your sentence now, you should have put the glass. Get your space. Your next word is going to be on. On. Forget your space. The. And then your last word is going to be the word table. So on the word table, let's count the syllables. Table. 2 syllables. So right now, just go ahead and do the first syllable. Tay. Tay. So write those sounds. Tay. And then let's go ahead and clap out again and listen for the second syllable. Table. Bull. Okay, so you don't need a space right now because this is all one word. So right next to the tay, go ahead and put the bull. Bull. Okay, and now I'm going to have you check. Make sure you have your spaces. Make sure you have a capital letter at the beginning. And double check to make sure you have a period at the end. And remember, only a capital letter at the beginning. We shouldn't have any other capital letters in our sentence. Okay, and so here is what it should look like. P-U-T, put the glass. There's my L blend. Put glass. Okay. And glass has, you only hear one S, but once you've seen the word over and over again, you'll learn that it has 2. So if you only put 1, that's no problem. You can go ahead and add the second one if you want. Put the glass on. I don't have any more space, so I'm going to come way back over here. On the, and then the word table we stretched out with our syllables. Tay was our first syllable. Tay. And then bull. Bull. And then I know every syllable needs to have a vowel, and so I'm going to put an E at the end. And I'm just telling that, so I'm going to put a period. Okay, so I'm checking. I have a capital letter at the beginning. I ended with a punctuation mark of a period. I have spaces. Okay, I don't have any other capital letters in here because I don't have any names. I just need the capital letter at the beginning. Put the glass on the table. Okay, so go down. We're going to do one more sentence. So skip a little bit of space and we're going to come down here. And our sentence, let's count out the words. Hold up a finger every time you hear a word. Did you read the book? You should have counted 5 words. Did you read the book? So start over here. And you're going to do the word did, id, and it's the beginning of your sentence, so capital D. Did. Remember, you can pause the video anytime you need more time to write. Did you? Now that's not the letter U, the word you. So think about, we've had that word before. Did you read? So read is one of our words over here. So let's see which one looks like read. Read. So you just copy the word read. So you have so far, did you read the? Okay, and then our last word is the word book. And so I want to show you something before you write the word book. Okay, I'm just going to write down here. Don't write this. I'm just showing you something. So you know, because you probably had this word in kindergarten. I know we practiced it at the beginning of the year, but this is the word look. Let me write that a little bit better. Scoot that over a little bit, just so you can see my strategy I'm going to teach you. Okay, so there's my word look, L-O-O-K. So I know the word book sounds a lot like look. Look. So I can use the word look to help me spell book. So this is look. I just need to change the beginning sound. So instead of having look, I want to have b. Book. So the O-O-K is going to stay the same. Okay, so there's the word look, and there's the word book. So I used a word that I already know to help me spell a new word. And so that last word you're writing in your sentence is the word book. And so if you look back at your sentence, it should say, did you read the book? And so now I'm going to write it so you can check your work. And if you need to fix anything, that's fine. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to be thinking about the sounds and words and things that we've already learned. Okay, so our first word was did. It's going to start with a capital D. Did. Make sure I put my space. The word you probably have memorized in your head as Y-O-U. Did you, and we found the word read from our list. Did you read the? And then I showed you how you could use the word look to help you spell the word book, and that's in 2 O's right there, B-O-O-K. Okay, and then I need to think about how you hear the sentence being said. Did you read the book? And so I'm asking a question, so I have to end it not with a period or an exclamation mark, but with a question mark. So did you read the book? So check, do you have your capital letter? Do you have your punctuation mark of a question mark? And do you have spaces? And we shouldn't have any other capital letters just randomly in our sentence. We have capital letter here at the beginning. Okay, so our 2 sentences, put the glass on the table. Did you read the book? So go ahead and try and read those sentences back to yourself, maybe 1 or 2 times, and then that will be it for our words. Again, remember we have who, put, your, little, and read.